So let's have a look at the swing crawl knee workout. So here we're doing a swing where you're leading with the pelvis. So there, and it's going to start that swing. So you're leading with the toes and the pelvis, not piking, trying to really tuck under in that hollow. Once you hit end range, then you reverse it. Now a trail with it, trail with the toes, and then that way it slows it down and brings it to a neutral position. I like doing it where you can hang straight without touching the ground, so you can really feel the whole chain going through. But you can do it with a bent knee if you don't have space. Then going into the crawl version, it's just that manner position into a bridge with a bent knee, then coming back, so you're getting that nice rotation, nice stability through there, really driving the hips up. There, I could go a bit higher, and then there, coming back, and then on this one I think I drive the hips up a bit more, and you want to look up at the ceiling more. It's nice. Then we're going into the knee work, so just doing the sissy squat on the shins, so hinging through there, loading up the quads, keeping those lower abs nice and tight so the hip flexors don't arch the back, and then hinging through the hip, making sure I don't get a lumbar bump. Little one there, not too bad, and then hinging and then squeezing the glutes and hamstrings to come up. Nice and simple. 2-minute rounds, 30 seconds on each, 3 sets, 6 minutes, get it done.